Today we'll be talking about Think, Pair, Share. Think, Pair, Share is a collaborative learning strategy where students work together to solve a question about an assigned reading. This requires students to think individually about a topic or to answer a question, then to share their ideas with classmates. The ideal scenario for Think, Pair, Share would be any grade 3 and up. The students would have to be able to read the provided material, comprehend what they have read, summarize, and then explain what they read to a partner and then to the class. The level of oral language proficiency would have to be intermediate level because they would have to know how to read and how to speak the language. The content area could really be any subject that is informational, such as science and nonfiction reading. The materials needed would be a class set of books, a whiteboard, and whiteboard markers. You could also use a smartboard or a document camera depending how you wanted to teach the material. Research that supports the strategy. Think, Pair, Share allows children to get their thoughts out with others and then share it with the class. For beginning and low intermediate level ELL students, they may need extra help in practice in expressing and sharing their ideas. Teachers should model ways that the students can express their ideas like I think or the story says. Think, Pair, Share allows ELL students to get their thoughts out, and sometimes it happens in 2 languages. Also, it allows teachers to track comprehension in a non-traditional way. For the demonstration of the strategy, I will have a class set of books on a country. In this case, it will be Nigeria, and each student will share something that is interesting to them but is also important to the book. They will have 15 minutes to read the book, then they will have 5 to 7 minutes to share their ideas with a partner. After that, we will regroup and each student will share their interesting point to the whole class. I will write it on the whiteboard. We will finish by doing a fun class project about the country. So if I was in a classroom setting, I would hand out all the books to each student. I would tell them to read the book. So class, go ahead, read this book. I'm going to give you 15 minutes to do so. After that, you will find a partner and you guys will share what you thought was interesting. And then we will regroup and I will write all the interesting information on the board. After we've done that, we will do a big class project. We'll make a poster about the country.